Did we even shoot?
I thought so. I think we shot something.
Red Alliance looking strong as we head into Teleon.
Okay, let's check the robot and then we can go.
Okay.
Bring it over.
It will be a Red Alliance.
Okay, we shot our stuff off. Just go and collect.
They're feeding, they're feeding.
This team's heading out to midfield looking for fuel.
Are we shooting?
Okay.
Come on.
No.
Don't shoot, don't shoot.
Collect.
But they're activated. Red
I think we're
Hey, careful.
So Red trying to
Come
make
back.
I'm trying.
Push it to give me player. Okay.
Blue has a chance to
8,
secure a
7, 6,
26 they're currently
5.
Get lined up.
Our ball is all its jammed. Come.
We're good.
1.
Keep shooting.
And now it's Red Alliance's turn. 91-53.
Come on. I think our flywheel is slowing down.
They harass connectivity on 59. Despite the defense, Somerville team scoring in the red hub as they pull red into the lead. 81.
We're jammed. Over there. There's the ball.
Awesome.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go collect. Go collect. Hold those against the wall.
Push this way.
Go under their trench.
Yep.
Look at all that under the trench.
Through the trench.
I think you're pushing.
I am. Hold on.
Picking up as much as we can while it's Blue Alliance's turn to score. Frontier.
7. Come back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Touch the tower. Touch the tower.
Trying to close this 30-point margin, but it's Red Alliance
Back up against the
back
tower.
again.
Brace yourself.
We're missing a bunch.
Let's roll.
We're not shooting accurately.
No.
You're
Under
missing.
duress.
I'm getting closer.
Up
Shake,
top.
shake.
91-53, trying to slow him down, but it's tough.
That's
so much
that
offense.
freaking
7, 6, 5, 4,
something.
3, 2, 1.
I think our turret's cooked.
That's fine. You can go collect or feed.
Come back on the right.
130 to 54.
Go into their trench. Grab
As we
it.
head into the final seconds of the match.
Come back. You're full.
Come on.
Shoot everything you can.
Aim the turret for yourself. Yeah.
Time is running out for 10 seconds.
We're browning out.
What?
And we're a bad battery. We can't get up to speed. We're dropping to 9 volts.
Stop moving if possible. Just focus on shooting. 1.
Official results.
We won that.